Hey there, it's Beth, and I just wanted to jump on with a really quick video. I'm going to be showcasing, oh my gosh, how cute are these doilies that I made. I'm going to be showcasing a A5 notebook coming to the shop. I've got two of these. And I just wanted to jump on with my face, even though my hair is looking crazy, and say hi and say that I'm going to be adding these to the shop. Again, only two, and these are specifically for documenting like your memories and all of that jazz. I know lots of people do an October monthly, so this notebook would be absolutely perfect for something like that. All right. That's it for me, just saying hi, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you a flip through of the notebook. Hey y'all, it's Beth from Rock Your Notebook, and it's been a really long while since I've done this, but I have two of these available. I cut them down to A5 size just because that gives you more of the beautiful gorgeousness that is inside the notebook. And then along with the notebook, you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, and 4 doilies. They're made out of cardstock, so they're a nice thickness, but still flat enough to use inside your notebook that it doesn't create a ton of bulk. This is more for like a memory keeping, so printing out photos and scrapbooking kind of thing going on here. And all of the pages in the notebook are patterned papers, so I think it's a lot of fun. I'm just gonna do a quick flip through of the actual notebook, show you some of the journaling cards that are coming with the notebook, and these will be for sale inside the shop. Like, how awesome is this doily with the spider web? Okay, let me get over myself. And then this one is actually just like a plain cute little doily, but it's great for layering things. And I love this paper. And then this doily has got the back on the cutout. Super cute. Love them. The ghosts. This is cool. You can still kind of see everything that came on this cut apart paper. And then everything is just reversed. And then the last doily. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I cannot. Okay, so it comes with all of that. I really probably should have counted the pages before I started. And then in the back, you're gonna get this little envelope, which you can use for other things, but it's gonna come with all of these journaling cards that I've cut apart for you. I put a spell on you, you are my pumpkin. I love the vintage vibe here. Wicked, trick or treat, the spider webs, all the candy. This cat is to die for. It's Halloween, my boo, just the broomsticks, and then this cute little funny bingo card. So all of these, and they fit perfectly in here. Obviously it's not going to close because they're too tall. And then the doilies will come with the notebook as well, and there might be some extra goodies thrown in. You never know with me. But this will be available in the shop, A5 size. There are only 2 available because that's all I've got, and they are ready to ship. So if you purchase soon, you'll get these in time for October, and then you could do all of your October documenting in one of these cute little notebooks. All right, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a hot minute, but I'm trying to get back into the groove of things. Alrighty, bye.